This one's called Oklahoma Blizzard, Man Found in Spring. It's taken from a photograph. Who snapped this ending? Right arm hung on a barbed fence, his left dangling above the spring ground. His hat is yards behind him, its disturbed edges like ribbons. Somewhere his mind slipped. Cabin fever made him venture into snow a season back. Mud boot prints in a derelict trek where a girl's face melted and became the sting of winter. But this is not winter. The picture holds no season, black and white. Someone clicked this man's final act, the pose preserved by an Oklahoma blizzard, a fence, a hat, a roar of field. What the photo cannot catch is the wind walking the hat from his slumped head, the snow's slow yield into sigh.